slip is when you set foot in the capital, squeeze into cramped slum area.
Hey guys, I'm Mario and I live and travel full time in this 24-foot box truck conversion. And today I'm out here in a Florida state park and it is beautiful. Today was going to be a stealth camping video, but I'm finding it a lot harder to travel in this bad boy with the car with me. So it's a lot harder to stealth camp. And I just got back from Indiana. So I needed a place to unwind, which is here. It is beautiful and quiet. Just a few other people out here camping, and we're boondocking. So if you guys aren't familiar with the term boondocking, there is no electrical hookups here, no water, no sewage, and it's super quiet, which is beautiful. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to get on inside. We're going to get the bags packed. We have to get off to the gym. I have to pick up a microwave. We got dinner already cooking for tonight, corned beef and potatoes. I'm going to do like a corned beef hash, probably throw an egg in there or something. And if you guys are new here to the channel, stick around so you guys can see what the inside looks like in here. Anyways, I'm about to get on inside and get ready to hit the gym. Now we're packed up. Let's roll. Well, I've encountered a bit of a problem. I have a little bit of noise that's coming from my passenger side on the front of my car here. Just another thing that you might have to encounter when you have another vehicle. But if you have an older vehicle, that's what you may encounter. But you should always keep a newer vehicle, I guess. But I need to get this stuff cleared out. I'm going to jack up the front of the car, see what it is. I got a bunch of tools back here, and I always travel with tools because I keep an older vehicle. Mm-hmm. Well, this was the culprit to our problem. That guy helped us out. We got that figured out. Get these tools put up, and we're going to get over to Planet Fitness. Well, I made it here to the gym. I'm going to get inside. Sometimes when I'm far away from the house, I kind of get a little concerned, especially not knowing what's going on when you're away from home. The one thing that worries me is I have a lot of things there that are in the house. I have computers. I have a lot of things that are pretty pricey and value. And I really worry about the security and worry about what's going to happen. And even when I'm there at home at night and I hear people outside and I get to wondering really what's going on outside, I start thinking about the security and my safety, and I really worry about those things. And that leads me to today's sponsor, Tapo. As before we jump back into today's adventure, I want to show you something that's been a total game changer for securing my rig and property when I'm on the road, especially when I'm parked for long periods. This right here is the Tapo C645D kit. This is a solar powered dual lens security camera that gives you serious peace of mind without constant power or monitoring. What makes this thing special? First, check this thing out. It's got two 2K lenses on it, one fixed, one ultra wide lens that can zoom in and track movement. So it's like having two cameras in one. So one is watching a wide screen and the other one is to zoom in to details when it detects something moving. This unit runs off solar with a rechargeable battery backup that can last for months under normal usage. Everything ties into the Tapo app, so you get smart alerts when it detects people, cars, animals, or pretty much anything that's moving. And you get all that without paying a subscription. Day or night, this camera keeps you covered with full color, night vision, with spotlights, or more discreet infrared if you want. Super solid for an outdoor setup. Let me tell you why this matters for van lifers or overlanders. Look, when you're living on the road like we are, whether it's at a campground, rest stop, or a Walmart parking lot, knowing what's around your rig at all times is just a peace of mind. I can't stress that enough. For me, this isn't just a gadget, it's a part of how I protect what matters while I'm out chasing experiences. So, a big thanks to Tapo for partnering with us and securing this adventure. And if you want to add this kind of smart solar powered security around your home campsite, definitely check this out. Click the link down below to learn more about the Tapo C645D kit. And stick around because we're about to go back to the adventure. I'm about to head on in to get my workout done. I've been working on the car, which I wasn't planning on doing. And yeah, well, let me head on in here, get my workout done, and I will see you guys after the gym. It's pretty cool. We could actually take a look at our house when we're not in there, but I'll see you guys in a second. Just finished my workout, and I believe I'm going to head back right now. We got to make some or eat our dinner. I am so glad I carry tools with me, and I'm able to check out things. I brought my tools and we have a little issue with the car, and I was able to check that out and make sure everything was right with it. All right, let's get going. This is really cool. I could see what's going on. This was really, really cool. I just got an alert. Somebody was walking outside and it showed me on the alert. It sent me a message and I was able to check it out and see what was going on. This is one of the great parts about having this camera being off grid and it being solar powered. This is truly, truly amazing. Now it's just zoomed in right on my stairs, showing the stairs. So if anybody comes close to those stairs, it's going to pick them up and I can actually talk and say something to them and I can have a conversation back and forth. Super great security camera system. Let's get on to our trip right now. Let's get on heading out of here. I'm still in the Planet Fitness parking lot, so let's get to moving. I just made it back to the box truck conversion and I got a bunch of stuff I have to bring in. I have all of the groceries that I bought, and I have to bring in the microwave. So let's get on inside. All right, well, I gotta find the key somewhere here. One of these I have just fairly hungry. So we got more neighbors here, which is really, really cool. So we'll maybe stop by and check them out. But woo, this is smelling so good. Oh my goodness. We get home and we've got food cooked. This is amazing. I always love when my crock pot's going. So we're going to get to making some potatoes. I'm going to go outside and grab everything that I picked up from Walmart and whatever else I got. I know I got my gym bag in there. So I'm going to bring that stuff inside. Then we're going to make some food. Yeah. All right, guys. See you guys in a second. I'm happy right now. We've got food. All right. See you guys. All right, guys. So I got a new microwave finally. Looks just like the old one. All right. I'm going to set that there for right now until I come back inside. I'm going to put some gas in the gas powered generator so we can charge up the batteries. The batteries are getting a little low right now. Well, they're not really low, they're about 50%. So I like to keep them fully charged. And then I got to charge up the power stations. So let me get this done. Then we'll get back inside and we'll finish cooking the potatoes. I need to get the microwave put up. Nice lady gave me this here. Anyway. Perfect. All right. Thanks for the free microwave. Lady that gave us the free microwave. Thank you. That was definitely a blessing. Now I have a mess to clean up, a refrigerator to put back. Now I'm gonna make a basic, like corned beef hash, I guess that would be, with some potatoes that I have left over. Hopefully they're not freezer burned, but with me, they're probably freezer burned. And they're not freezer burned. So I'm lucky. I gotta move some things around. I gotta clean up in here. I got a little bit of a mess. But what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna get everything cooked. So let's get this cooked and then we're gonna eat dinner. I've had a long day. I'm super hungry. I do need to eat. I've been running around. Well, you guys have been running around with me too. We had a breakdown in the car. Well, it wasn't really a breakdown, just something hanging. But I'm so grateful that I was able to repair that on the road, and being able to check the security system while I was gone was really, really great because I didn't know when I was going to come back or what was going to happen. And since I've been home, I've got a few alerts that somebody's been walking by, and that's been awesome too. Let me go turn on the gas. I have a little issue with my tanks. I have to replace both tanks. I have one new one. When I go back to Indiana, I will buy a second one. And what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go out and turn it on. I have to turn it off right afterwards. Yeah, not great. Let's get to cooking. I got dinner done and I'm about ready to taste it. Got corned beef hash that I made in the crock pot. Well, corned beef that I made in the crock pot, Better Goods brand, Yukon Gold potatoes. It's a mix with a bunch of vegetables in it. Then I made the pancake with the plantain. So we're going to give this a taste and see how it is. I know it's going to be good because I already tasted a little bit of it. Let's give it a try. That's very good without the egg. Let's give this a try with the egg. Oh, the overcooked egg. Definitely a great breakfast slash dinner. I'm going to go ahead, get this finished up, finish dinner, get cleaned up, and then we're going to hang out, watch some TV, get ready for bed. I'm about to go to bed. It's getting a little late. I've been sitting here watching TV. I'm getting a little tired now. So I will see you guys in the morning. For me, it's about 8 hours. For you, it's about 3 to 5 seconds. So I will see you guys in the morning. Good morning. Starting off with a great cup of coffee. We made it through the night last night, and it was absolutely amazing sleeping here. And I want to give a shout out to Tapo for keeping our adventure safe. And if you guys want to know more about the security camera, or if you're interested in getting one yourself, click the product link down below and you will get a discount as well. Shout out to Tapo again for keeping this adventure safe. And if you guys have made it this far in this adventure, if you're not subscribed yet, please, please comment, like, and subscribe. It really will help the channel out. And also, guys, if you really want to help the channel out, please consider becoming a channel member, and we're going to start giving our channel members a special thanks on this video and from here on out. And if you also give a Cash App, we're going to say a thank you as well, because you guys have been giving us Cash Apps, and it's really helping us out moving around, because it is very expensive to move this truck and produce this content. So if you guys would like to help us out and become a channel member, that would be great. Or if you want to consider sending a donation to the Cash App, that would be greatly appreciated as well. It helps us produce more content for you guys. I'm still planning out our trip to Arizona. However, I have not gotten a few things done. I haven't gotten a few things done, and I still have the solar panels that I need to put on the roof, and I'm having an issue with that right now because I don't have the space to put it on. I mean, I have space on the roof, but I don't have a place to actually work and put it on, and I don't have the help. It's only me down here in Florida, and I would like to get it done before I hit the road. I need the power, and I can't rely on the generator all the time. And right now, I have the battery power, and I do have more batteries that I have to install, but I don't have the solar power installed yet. So I do have right around 3,000 watts of solar to go on the roof, but I am without a place to do the work to install them. So I need the space right now, and I don't have the space to do it. So I'm kind of at a standstill on where I can do it at, and I'm trying to find a place to do it at, as well as I'm needing a couple charge controllers as well. But I'm hoping to get this done and get on the road within a week, and I'm not sure that I'm going to do it, but I'm going to try my best. And there's flies coming in. That's a bee. Oh, we don't want the bee in here. Get out of here, guy. All right, guys. Well, I'm going to get going. I have to get this video edited, get it out. And if you guys are still here and you want to keep this journey going, guys, click on the next video right here, or click on the next video right here. This one might be a little better.